Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. So are you ready to start developing your own video games? Before even beginning the design phase, there's an important question that you must address. What programming languages are you going to use for developing your own video games? While you can use most programming languages to develop video games, including high-level languages like Python and Unity 3D, some do have added benefits over others. Besides, choosing the type of languages to learn could ultimately bind you to specific frameworks or engines for a long time, and this can affect the development process of your video game. So to put it simply, choosing the right programming language for game development can be challenging. In today's video, we'll cover some of the most popular programming languages used for game development, and also take a look at some steps for getting started in game development. As always, if you find this topic interesting, you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comment section down below. Now let's jump into it. So let's have a look at the top 7 programming languages for game development, starting with C++. C++ is one of the most popular and commonly used languages used for game development. It supports object-oriented programming frameworks and generic programming, thereby providing greater control over hardware and graphics. It's mostly used to develop big console and Windows games. Master of Orion 3, Counter-Strike, StarCraft, and Football Pro are a few games built in C++. Next on our list is JavaScript. One of the 4 pillars of web development is JavaScript. Developed in 1995, it was initially designed to work with the new ECMAScript specifications, which focused on improving web browsers. JavaScript is often used with HTML5 to enhance the graphics and interactivity of the games. Given its huge online community and many frameworks, JavaScript is one of the most preferred languages for game development. Polycraft, Hangman, and Swoop are popular games built using JavaScript. And that brings us to the next on our list, HTML5. HTML5 is one of the most popular markup languages used for game development. It can be interchangeably used with JavaScript and CSS for developing a more sophisticated web-based game. Since it doesn't require advanced skills or techniques, it's considered the best programming language for entry-level game developers. HTML5 is known for its ultimate gaming engines, such as Booty 5, Construct 2, Phaser, and Impact.js. World Cup Penalty 2018 and Cookie Clicker are popular games developed using HTML5. Number 4 on our list is Python. Python is a popular language used for game development. It offers object-oriented programming support and is the simplest language to learn and use. It also comes with the PyGames library that's easy to use and flexible. It also allows programmers to prototype and model their games easily. Its ease of use and developer-friendly nature make it a go-to programming language for many game developers. Some popular games developed using Python include Frets on Fire, Battlefield 2, EVE Online, and Disney's Toontown Online. Next is Java. Both C++ and Java are object-oriented programming languages. However, Java provides a more detailed object-oriented programming framework. It runs on the Java virtual machine, and the code is translated into bytecodes to run on different machines. Due to its versatility, ease of use, and open source nature, Java is used to develop mobile and indie games. Also, it's beginner-friendly and offers easy compilation, debugging, and coding. Popular games developed using Java include Minecraft, Ferrari GT3, World Track, Mission Impossible 3, and FIFA 11. Next is C#. C# is one of the most popular and robust languages for game development, but it's also a complex language to learn. Its XNA framework makes it possible for game developers to build games on Xbox and Windows. It also serves as a cornerstone for many popular gaming engines. For example, its Unity 3D game engine and Xamarin allow developers to design and develop games on Windows, iOS, PlayStation, and Android platforms. C# is known for its scalability, efficiency, and superior automated control in the gaming industry. It also offers great memory management and flexibility in terms of parameters, which helps improve the game's overall performance. Super Mario Run and Pokemon Go are some of the most popular games developed using C#. And number 7 on our list, Unreal Script. Unreal Script, also referred to as UScript, is developed by the Unreal Engine. This particular language comes without multiple inheritances. Just like Java, some of the major gaming platforms that use UScript include PlayStation, Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Android. However, in 2014, the company released a statement highlighting that Unreal Engine 4 would not support UScript. The Wheel of Time, Advent Rising, and Batman Arkham are some of the popular games developed using UScript. Now let's have a look at some tips for getting started in game development. First of all, learn how to code. Expert game developers have developed the majority of the games that you play on various devices. They're skilled in different programming languages and can write robust code that runs these games. If you want to get ahead in your game development career, then learn at least some of the programming languages that we've already discussed. You can enroll in a coding bootcamp to learn these programming languages and gain other skills along the way. Develop a simple game. Design your first game and showcase all of the skills that you've learned in the bootcamp. You're likely to face some challenges developing a game from scratch, especially if you're an entry-level developer, but it can help you polish your coding skills and design a game that you can feature in a game design portfolio once you've finished. And that leads us to build a game design portfolio. Once you start developing your own games, you'll want to create a game design platform to showcase to people your talent and highlight the most creative design work. There really is no right or wrong when it comes to choosing a programming language for game development. They all come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages, target platforms, features, and various sort of game developers who prefer them. So this means that you shouldn't be afraid to explore different programming languages and be open to expanding your skills. There's a lot of programming languages and various frameworks and engines available that could be perfect for the kind of game you're developing. Irrespective of what you choose, each language is to help you develop your game. So whether you select JavaScript or Unreal Script, or want to get your hands dirty with C# or maybe something else, your main goal should be to learn how to code, since it can help you with your long-term gaming career. So there we have it, a look at some of the top programming languages for game development. Once again, if you found this video interesting or helpful, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.